Hi, my name is Dex, and today we'll be looking at one of the quick functions on how you can actually key in customer or supplier invoice in SQL accounting. So this feature is actually useful if you are actually a freelancer or someone that actually does a backlog accounts for a client. Alright, so this feature in SQL is called fast entry. So to do this, all you just need to do is, let's say I want to create invoices. I come to customer, I come to invoices. All I just need to do is I click fast entry here, and then let's say for example there is some historical data. If I want to add anymore, I just press plus, and then here I can select from my customer list, say ABC Sendirian Berhad. Right, so the system will automatically pull out the date and everything. So you can type here, say example I want to put sales, then I want to put here this is $200, then I just press next, and then you see straight away the customer's name will be next. If you want to change, then of course you can come in here and we can just change it, say text. Right, and here you can type sales is 2000, and then we can just continue, and then we can type here 10,000. Alright, and then let's say for example you want to stop for a while and you want to go for your lunch. All we just need to do is just press X here, and then once you come back, you can just come back here again, fast entry here, and then you can just continue keying in again. Alright, so let's say example all this information you cross check and make sure everything's correct. All we just need to do is press pause and close. Alright, so you can see under here, let's say we refresh. Okay, so the date, so all the invoice will automatically be generated from the system. Alright, okay, the other way that you can actually do is actually using an Excel feature. So let's say example I already have an Excel already here. All I just need to do is I need to select these fields, copy, and then come into your SQL here, press fast entry, right click, paste from Excel, and we press pause and close, and that's done. Alright, okay, so we hope that you find this feature helpful. Do let us know in the comments below if you would like us to cover a certain topic. Thank you.